to read that number. That would be Jared Neal. Outside of him, it's the 61 car. James Mundred out of Beloit, Wisconsin. Fourth heat. Sixer class. Pace car ducks to the infield again. Get a good green start. Here we go. 3 wide. Oh, look out. They touch, they bump, they bang. They wobble, they wiggle. Oh! Parts are flying and cars are sliding. But a battle for the lead. The Zach Saccone in that 24. Whoa, the 61. The 24 out to the early lead, followed by Sean Werman in that 51. The excitement's in the back, though. Parts dragging on the 61 of James Mundred. The 51, the orange Beerman car, tracking down the leader. Werman in the 51 looks to the inside. He's closing the gap. Time's running out. Let's see what he can do here. He makes his way up. He's to the door. Saccone in the 24 pulls ahead. White flags in the air. 1 to go. It's a battle for the lead. Can the 51 lead only 1 lap? He has the lead. He's lost it. They pile it in to 3 and 4. Saccone to the outside. Who's it going to be? Zach Saccone. John Weirman and that 51. The 82 car, Nate Swan. And we had the wild and crazy 61 tonight. So James Mundred. That 45 car, Sean Huffstrom, pulls up the rear of the field. Getting lined up in victory lane as the Speedway Auto Mall crew, safety crew heads down the backstretch, pick up a few parts that came flying off them their Sixer cars tonight.